Hello friends, I'd like to invite everybody to take my new free class at udemy.com. Simply go to udemy.com, put my first and last name in the search bar and scroll down as you'll see it. It's right here. It's build a web application with Python, Flask, and NLP. And it basically looks like a web application, a real application that you download from the Apple, the Google store, built in React or Swift, but it's actually a web application. So it's served on the internet and it looks just like the real thing. And it will serve quotes based on your mood using natural language processing. So you can swipe right or left depending on the mood. You want a lighter one or a darker mood, and you will get a more upbeat quote or a darker quote. It's a lot of fun, and the point here, and actually we can see it also on Responsinator, you can go to the actual site, go to motv.io, super simple URL, motv.io, and you'll see the end result. Here I'm looking at it in a mobile simulator at responsinator.com, but you can also just type motv.io and you'll see it on on your desktop or on your phone like this. But the point is, we are building here web applications, so applications that are served through a web server, so you don't have to deal with any mobile OSs, all these details, and you can create all sorts of things. So here's an example to show you how it's done. And then you can take that and build your own web app serving your own information to the entire world on the phone. Remember, more than 50% of all internet traffic is done on a mobile phone. So you wanna leverage this, and this is just great because you can very easily change the content, change the delivery mechanism, change the background color, anything you want. All you have to do is update it on your web server, and the entire world can enjoy it. So again, this is Manuel Amunatigi from the Viral ML Show, and if you want the class, simply go to udemy.com. Put my first and last name and you'll see the link. You'll see it's right here. Build a web application with Python and Flask and NLP. And you will also have, there's also the link to the Udemy class in the description of this video. And of course, it's entirely free. I hope you take it, and please, send me an email. Let me know what you thought about it and what cool things you're going to build using this kind of approach. Thank you for watching.